Hi, Susan from Susan's Art and Junk Journaling. I came upon all of these cards for free. So there's 25 cards with envelopes in each one of these boxes, and all of these boxes are identical to this box. Each box has 25 cards with different sayings on them. I think they have to do, it says inspirational greeting cards, but it looks like for people who've lost loved ones. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Beauty for ashes, joy for mourning, praise for heaviness. It doesn't really matter. I don't even know why I'm showing you. God will wipe away every tear from your eyes. The Lord bless you, make his face shine on you and give you peace. Hope always. They're all the same. There's nothing written on the back. There's nothing written inside. The inside is a nice matte. This is shiny, and all of the envelopes are plain envelopes. There's nothing special on the inside. There's no image on the envelopes, so they're just basic envelopes. I'm not going to do something with all of these right now, but I might do something with a couple of them. This is another one of my wing-its. Let's see what I come up with. Wildflowers of North America book. Glued it on the inside here, traced it with a little black to give it a little bit of a highlight. Inside I took another partial page, made a pocket, made a little journaling card. And then this is a little pocket as well. That's got a journaling card. I think that'll be all that'll make for this video, just the one. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. This doesn't quite feel finished to me. This is the back of this. A little bit prettier, and I'm going to make a little tuck spot here. There, I like that a little bit better, and then I put a little more of the green over here just to brighten it up. There we go. Now I'm a little bit happier with that. Thanks again for watching. You guys know me, I keep adding things until I'm happy. I did some Distress Oxide on this to give it a little bit of age. And then I made a little card there as well. Now I'm truly done with this project.